keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together, been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby,
hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another 2 DIY projects inspired for Valentine's Day. I love Valentine's Day, guys, and I hope you get some inspiration from these DIYs. I hope you enjoy. My first DIY starts with these 2XO light kits that I picked up on clearance at Spotlight. I took them out of the box and then took them outside to spray paint them. I painted one gloss candy pink by Rust-Oleum, as well as a bright gold by Dulux. Once they were dry, I then took the lights and positioned them in place. And taking these light globes, I added them to each light. I then took some of these dollar store flowers and off camera I hot glued them in place. I then added some AAA batteries to my little light. I then repeated the same steps to the second letter, and I'm so happy with how they came.
Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm gonna need that song.
I then moved on to my second DIY. From my local dollar store, I picked up this shadow box, and I had a wonderful idea in mind. I turned the box over and started removing what was inside, including cutting off the little strings. I then took the back of the frame. Now this is the front cover where you would have put something, but of course Shell wanted to add some sparkle, so I took this Big W Australia contact paper in this beautiful gold glitter, and I covered the entire frame.
Not freak out and cause a scene.
I then printed out this cute teddy bear template from Google, and taking some pink foam that I had from Spotlight, I traced this onto the foam and cut it out.
I try to hold it together, keep it together, been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that.
Once that was complete, I then took some scissors and cut out my little teddy bear, making sure that the black didn't show. I then took another piece of that foam and, taking something like a candle, something that is round, I traced a circle. I then cut this out, as well as 2 little templates of his arms. Now this is going to be Teddy's nose, and I wanted to give that little bit of a 3D illusion. I then took these beautiful small foam flowers that I picked up from eBay in both pink and white, and I hot glued these over the entire teddy. At his belly, I chose not to put the roses, but I cut out a beautiful love heart from that pink foam and I hot glued that in place. I then took this beautiful bling that I picked up from Spotlight and I cut it to size and hot glued that to the front of the love heart. I also printed out a very small Miss Shell logo and I hot glued that to the front. I also took these adorable glitter bows that I picked up from Spotlight. Now, showing here, I was actually going to put one each on Teddy's ear, but I decided to actually just go with one. I then placed Teddy back in his frame, and I was so happy with how he came.
I'm gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. Am I gonna need that song? Hit it.
Guys, these simple fun DIY projects were so much fun to create and very simple to do. I absolutely love Valentine's Day and I hope I'm inspiring you along the way with all these Valentine's Day DIYs.
I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record.
These super easy DIYs would be such a fabulous gift idea. I love this little teddy bear so much. I think it'd look so perfect in a little girl's room. It'd be a wonderful Valentine's Day gift and it would certainly be a wonderful table centerpiece for your little girl's birthday party. I also love that I can share with you that you can personalise this item to make it just perfect for that little girl in your life, or maybe for yourself. Just like Shell, you could have one in your very own beauty room very soon.
Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. Am I gonna need that song? Hit it.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope this video has brought a warm and cozy feel to your heart, because Valentine's Day is just around the corner, guys. And what better way than to start some DIY projects this weekend?
Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been
Don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.